Ha kakadar terek uyayong arhajar arpuar Nongialam Shnong na keleng ki benta jong Bhoi kilawan chkanong ba shlong na gajing tmu bani kendo yo menteri rang ba kejelau Conrad kongkal sangma ban penpa we gajing bom snow tenat e gajing ete kular hapdeng sarkar Assam bat Meghalaya ha gajing Pynbeit yo pur usam. Kini Nongialam Shnong kelek pi lenti bikin yo le kendo yo menteri rang ba Henry onda kilapoi ha Secretariat lakang kerdap ka kerdop bat shemla ailat setiai ki men iakynduh yo menteri rang ba. Bat kania kalau pensengusi gini Nongialam jong kathan Bhoi ki basa ah kejaka kaput ba kejala Assam. Kila dawa ba kesorkar jela ke Pynbeit mai biang ya kejing ete kular bat amdei ban penhat kejaka kejala Assam. Ki Nongialam jong ka Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress kilawan man ajeng kersyani gini Nongialam Shnong kathan kaput. Habai keren bikinong patai kubor hakamat jong ka Secretariat urang ba Shnong ka mai kuli ukledan sangma ulong bagi sengusi halor kejing syale jong ki bat kilong berlong kumnu kinom tre panhap kejala Assam bat kin penlong ya kejing yaki wat bandit ru bantiet kejing khang jong Supreme Court kat bau presiden ka Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress uba Adrian Khan William ulong ba kejing mi jong ki kelong men persya jor karai ke belashim ka sarkar jela khamtam hababun ki breu ki basa akathan khaput kila sengusi namar ke ka belaja kadai namar kejing le lindet bat kam shimladon kanu kejing selok bat Nongialam Shnong ni bat ka Shnong ban IT ya ki jaka syakjela Assam na kaliang Conrad kongkal sangma ulong bo umdon jingtip kejing wan Nongialam Shnong na Bhoi namar bakim shimla bo appointment bani kendo yu bat ula kentui kini Nongialam ban shim da ka appointment bat ulong ubakloy bani kendo bat bani keren bat ki ha kabedai ba kejing dawa jong Nongialam Shnong ban Pynbeit kejing ete kular ha pedeng ka Assam ban Meghalaya Conrad kongkal sangma ulong ba on omla ban khlie biang ya amat namar kadai keblesoi hakamat jong sarkar India Conrad kongkal sangma ulong ba baro kijaka kibal kentup hakamap bat report kidina dok kasnam 8000 khatwei kombalale ke sarkar kebalet ha gaban ki arpulai teligi Shnong kladan arpui teli kibalawan phai sekejela Meghalaya Dari arteli Shnong kilhab no Assam bat kejing dawa ban penhap gini ki arteli Shnong sa Meghalaya shimla kadau hakakai pot jong kasnam 8000 khatwei ulong ba sarkar jela kan omla ban kentup biang ya gini Shnong namar shimla kentup ikina dok kasnam 8000 khatwei bat kan long ka bae ban penkongo ek sarkar Assam ban kentup ikini ki arteli Shnong hakatup ke ban per na kakai pot jong kasnam 8000 khatwei Conrad kongkal sangma ulong bagidon bon ki Shnong ki bakwa ban wan phai biang Henry hakakai pot jong kasnam 8000 khatwei ya kini Shnong shimla kentup bagi dai ke badan hapdeng kejing ka japut bat ke sarkar Meghalaya kalak keduru bagi Shnong kidai ki bahap hagajela Assam
We, the Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress, have come here today along with the Basan of the Himalayan steamship and along with a few village heads from Maikuli, from Yongkuli and all those other areas from which the disputed areas have come. And we have come here today because we want to protest against this decision taken by the government. Because as we can see, many people in the disputed areas have cried that whatever has happened is foul play, that there was no consultation between the village heads and also the committee in the village along with the government to give away these areas which they've given away for dispute. And therefore we have come here today because we feel it is our right and also it is very necessary that we take a stand against this. Because why should we give away our own land to a neighboring state? We should defend what's ours rightfully. And that's why we have come here today. We have even tried visiting the Chief Minister's office, but he has refused to meet us, saying that we haven't made an appointment. And also before coming to the Secretariat itself, the gates were shut and they were locked. We have come here with good intentions for our state, but currently what is happening, we see that the state, the MDA is not taking any action to ensure that the public is heard. We can see that in these disputed areas, the people have cried and they are saying that we don't want to go to a neighboring state. That's why I, as a resident of this state, as a son of Meghalaya, want to heavily oppose this. Because I understand that if we don't take a step to oppose any of this, how much more will our land go to the other states? We feel it is our responsibility, we feel it is our right that we must protest this decision taken by the government, and I urge everyone who is in Meghalaya to please take a stand, because how much will they sell our land? How much will they give away?
I will tell you that, boss, these are the 4 things that I demand. Government has said that. Now, when government says that we have demanded these 4 things, these are the 4 things that we are asking for. Am I correct? Now, out of those 4, as I said, I managed to get 3.5 back. Now, today, a new area comes in and says that we want the 5th, 6th, 7th location also. My question is, the Assam government today questions that you put a list of only 4 in 2011. Why are you changing that today? How come this change came in? I can't justify that today. So this should have been done in 2011 is what I'm trying to say. So I'm trying to explain the same simple point to you. You're right. I mean, emotions and concerns and the people's will is there. But when it was never in the table of discussion, when the list of 4 or 23 in this case was given, well, then there's only 23 I can discuss on. I cannot discuss on 24th one. Those villages will not be possible because, as I said, it was never in the report. But out of the 23 villages, all the locations, the villages and the maps exactly as it was drawn in 2011, they have come to us, except Malsapara and Tutia Bazar. Apart from that, all the rest have come to us.
But there are opposition.